Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Here's something a little different for you. Are you looking for a van but really don't want a van? Really, you'd prefer a small C-Class, just a smidgen wider, traditional Ford chassis? Here's maybe an interesting option for you. This is a 4Winds 19Z. You have a couple of small storage compartments, one right there and one right over here that goes all the way through to carry some external gear. We have a large power awning, but really, let's take a look inside. So when you step in, traditional Ford chassis, the overhead bunk with TV, little skylight above. Now, what's a little bit different, like in the vans, a wet bath, right? Nice little sink in the corner, so you still have a separate sink to wash your hands, your toilet right here. But overall, a wet bath itself. Nice, compact, everything you need. Decent countertop space for a 19-foot C-Class, even a countertop extension right here. Let's take a look at storage. Reasonable hinges. Storage with shelving to maximize that space. Microwave above. 2-burner range. Stainless steel single sink. And a large U-shaped dinette. Now look at the light in this unit, and that's because of these 3 windows here that lets lots of light in. And then this U-shaped dinette converts into a bed if you wanted it to, or you just use your overhead bunk for sleeping. So there's a bit of flexibility in here, but even converting this to a bed, this is a nice large bed. Storage space, there's a wardrobe right here, a couple of drawers, and then some storage up here, a couple of big drawers, and again more netted storage on this side. Fridge wise, a decent fridge that looks about 8 cubic feet approximately, so that's a decent little fridge for a 19-foot unit. Overall, if you wanted something really small, the size of a van, but a little bit wider, a little bit more storage, this might be a great idea. And if your budget was a little more limited than a van conversion, this is probably the one to look at. I understand I don't talk pricing on the channel because it can vary, and we're at a dealer show, so we don't get full disclosures, but what I understand, it's at a really great price point. So if you're new to the market, want to try it out, don't want to go crazy, and you want something small, well, hey, the 19Z here might actually be the way to get started and try out the RV lifestyle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to leave any comments below, and we'll try to follow up with as many as we can. Thanks for watching, and check back soon. Take care.